everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And guess what, you all, I have a unboxing. If you here, that's right, if you here to see what I have to unbox, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to click on my subscribe button, y'all, because it really helps out my channel. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this here unboxing. Y'all like, okay, Miss Tamika, what did you get now? Yeah, y'all, I gotta show y'all this. Like, yeah, y'all see that? Gucci, yes ma'am. Gucci. So I am here to show you what I got, and it's not a bag. It's not a bag, because I wasn't sure if I was going to do a unboxing on this, because this is not like a true unboxing, because I did peek in it and everything like that. Like, you know what, I know it's not a bag, but I still wanted to share because of the fact that it is a luxury item. And when y'all see it, y'all gonna be like, oh, okay, Miss Tamika, because it's not a bag and it's not an accessory and it's not shoes. Here is the box. I had this for a while and I thought about it. I was like, you know what, I still want to share this here unboxing even though it's not a bag. So y'all, can y'all guess really quick? Leave down below real quick. Okay, y'all guess? Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and open it. So here is the inside, and here is my receipt. Y'all already know I always write something to myself. Like I said, it comes with your Gucci reusable bag. Here is the item. OGs of this here channel, y'all already know my love for Gucci, and I do have a few Gucci bags. And if y'all new to my channel, y'all need to go check out my past luxury unboxings and you'll understand this purchase, because like I said, I do have a lot of Gucci. I did announce that for my birthday, which is next March, I'll be 45, and I decided instead of getting a bag, I decided to go away on vacation. Now I still may get a bag, it won't be like a real expensive bag. Okay, let's do a vacation, because I don't know. Anyway, y'all, I decided to do a vacation for my 45th birthday. So this is where this unboxing is coming from. Here is the Gucci dust bag. So yeah, here we go. So your girl, that's right, got herself a Gucci hat. Yes, I got me a Gucci hat to go along with my Gucci bags and accessories and things like that. My Gucci hat, and I plan to wear this on vacation. Y'all, I did get a big size only because I plan to wear this with my wigs. If I have braids on, I haven't tried it on yet, and I plan to do so in this here video. So that's why I got the biggest size. I'm not sure if it comes bigger than extra large. I didn't go in stores to try it because I figured, okay, extra large should be big enough. I'm hoping fit over the braids, that's fine, because I know for sure it will fit over my wigs and weaves or whatever. I don't wear a wig, like sewing weaves, but I do wear wigs, so I'm sure it will fit over hair like that, because I do plan, I'm not sure how I'm gonna do my hair. I know I don't want braids, like I'm kind of over braids. Like, I like having braids, but I don't want braids for my 45th birthday, if y'all get what I'm saying. Like, I'll probably look into getting a wig that you can melt to your head or whatever, because you know they wigs are looking like hair growing out the scalp now. Again, of getting something like that done for my birthday, because I do like water, and I know with certain type of hair textures, far as wigs, you can get them wet. I got me a Gucci hat. Yes, get some Gucci sandals, but not like this, because I'm that person, I don't want Gucci, if y'all get what I'm saying. Like, if I wear this, I plan to wear this with like something solid or whatever. I may not wear a Gucci bag, I don't know, but I don't want to get the shoes, so that's too much Gucci. Go ahead and take this off and give me a few minutes and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, she cute. Told you, I knew an extra large would be big enough. Like, do you see her? You on vacation, y'all. Put like a wig cap over my braids because I just felt like putting a wig cap over the braids made it a lot easier for me to slide this hat on. And again, for reference, I do have a big hair already, and the extra large fits perfectly over my braids. Now, if you're a person like myself who wears wigs, braids, and things like that, you may want to up your hat size, because if you were to get this in a small or medium, it's not going to work. But if you somebody that don't wear weaves and wigs, then you may want to get, you know, your normal size. But for me, I plan to wear this over wigs and braids. Okay, that's the luxury of being able to do your own braids, because when I get tired of them, I can take them out. I just put them in because when I get up in the morning, I don't really feel like messing with my hair, and sometimes I'm not in the mood to wear wigs and all that all the time. So I was like, you know what, let me throw some box braids in my hair so I don't have to worry about messing with this hair for a while. I really wanted to, like I said, unbox this hair hat on this channel because I wasn't sure if I wanted to share, because again, it wasn't a bag. But then last night I was watching a video and I saw somebody showcase their hat. I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and showcase my hat, y'all, because y'all know that's what I do here on this channel. I love to share what I get. So from now on, regardless if it's a hat, a shoe, or whatever, I'm going to share, because sometimes I feel like it has to be bag related, but really on this channel you get a little bit of everything. You get what I'm saying? And this hat looks cute, you all, and I will try and link this hat down below just in case you all may want to purchase one for yourself. What I plan to wear with this hat if I do bring it on vacation, because like I said, with this hat being so busy, I want to wear something like, you know, plain, like something plain, like this shirt that says Queen. I got this from Shein. Like, I want to wear something really plain and not over the top and busy. So yeah, you all, I'm about to go back in the kitchen because I have food cooking. And don't forget to click on my subscribe button, y'all, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on my notification bell. You have to click on the notification bell. Why? So you can be notified each week. That's right, each week I upload videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.